You may already know that when light is blocked by an opaque object, a shadow is created, and that shadow is the same shape or almost the same shape as the object that's blocking the light. That's why we created
the Shadow Puppet Channel.
That's right, Shadow Puppets all day, every day.
And you are just in time to catch our first 3 shows added to the network. Enjoy!
How to find a friend.
It was Christmas and Snoopy needed someone to spend it with. That someone was Charlie Brown. But he was too scared that Snoopy would be grouchy and said, "Leave me alone." Then Peppermint Patty came up and told Charlie Brown a story that she had heard at school. Once there was a dog named Goofy, and he was lonely on Christmas and needed a friend. That friend was Charlie Tinsel. Charlie was scared that Goofy would yell at him and say, "Leave me alone." But then he thought of the trait perseverance. He thought, I could be brave and take a chance even if he said that. So he did. Would you like to spend Christmas with me? Yeah! After that story, Charlie Brown thought of his situation and thought that he could ask Snoopy. Would you like to spend Christmas with me? Yeah! We had an amazing Christmas together.
Be a meanie.
One day, there were 4 animals. Their names were Eddie, Ron, Mumford, and Margaret. And then Harley came over and started bullying Vaughn. You're annoying, you're short, and you're ugly. And then they stood up for Vaughn and said, "You can't do that, that's me." And then they said, "You cannot play with us anymore." And then Harley ran away crying. That is why you should not bully
Into the woods.
Once upon a time, there was a big family of 5 who lived in a big house on top of a hill. There were 2 girls, 1 boy, mom and dad.
Can I go into the woods?
No, because it's too dangerous.
So the next day, Grant snuck out while his sisters were playing and his mom and dad were making dinner.
Where's Grant at?
I don't know, but he better not be in the woods, because if he is, he's going to be in a lot of trouble.
Just a few minutes later, he walked in the door.
Where were you?
I was at Mark's house.
You didn't ask me if you could go.
I thought you'd be fine with it.
I am, but next time, ask.
Okay.
That night, Mom realized that Grant lied to her. So in the morning, she walked to Grant's room and says,
You lied to me. I can't believe you lied to me. You did lie to me.
I didn't want to.
Well, you did, so now you're in a lot of trouble.
See you next time for even more
Shadow Puppets all day, every day.
The Shadow Puppet Channel.
Yeah, this channel's definitely gonna go viral, for sure. I mean, who wouldn't want to watch shadow puppets 24 hours a day? Yeah, it's definitely gonna make it. We should probably all go get agents. And do we all move to Hollywood at the same time? And I bet the paparazzi are just gonna be off.